This video is named A Very Noisy Ceiling Fan. I didn't strap anything onto it except for tape. And my cat really loves that noise. But all I did here was I just strapped a piece of tape right there onto the blade. But nothing strapped onto that piece of tape except for the blade that's actually strapped on to. And I just let it spin around and it just makes that noise. Pretty noisy. Let me turn it back on. How come it's quieter now? It's more quiet than before. I don't know why. You give up? Well, that's fine. I'll throw you in the trash and get an even longer one. And I'm actually going to do that right now. Maybe you'll be able to touch the other blade. I don't know. But I know for sure it's going to be very long. Oh, I just love you and your cute little meows. Meow, meow. Okay, this is going to be real long. Yep, that's super long. Long enough that it just almost got stuck on my knee. Oh, shoot. I kicked that thing with my, like I touched it with my knee, but it just went like that. It's a gear toy I'm still going to play with, but my mom was saying if I want to sell it yet. Okay, this is going to be super. That is longer than the keychains right there. That is seriously so long. It's longer than keychains. Oh my god. Oh my god. What have I done? Just play that in slow motion. Just if we use a phone and play that in slow motion, it's gonna look awesome. Sheesh, Bob skewer. That goes very, like that is very long. I'm not going to lie at all. That just looks so funny. Just twirling around on it. That is pretty funny. Now a cat can play with it because it's so long. Cat's gonna try to play with it, I guess. Can literally basically touch that. Even me. Enough that it'll just almost rip it off, and also enough that it'll just make the blades move with it. But if it's strong enough, it will not get ripped off. It's something that the cat will love playing with. Okay, I'm gonna end the recording.